Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel? If you answered yes or no, then this video is for you. What's up, YouTube universe? I'm Brad, and welcome to my YouTube Journey channel. This is my first of many videos. I will be taking you through my personal YouTube journey. Be sure to subscribe, to follow me on my journey, and click or tap on the notification button so you will be the first to know when I upload new content. I promise that you will not want to miss a single video. As I record this video, we are in a worldwide coronavirus pandemic. Most of us are stuck at home in our living rooms and dens. We are being told to wash our hands a million times a day and practice social distancing. I hope that all is well with you and your family during this difficult time. I am starting this channel from the ground up, so if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel of your own, you came to the right place. You must have a lot of questions, so please stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. So what do I need to become a YouTuber? What does YouTuber even mean? Are there tips for new beginners? When do I receive my first paycheck? Do I have to clock in and out? Are there medical and dental benefits? How do I even create a channel? Am I too old? Am I too young? And the list goes on and on. I'll answer all of your questions in this video and upcoming videos, so please subscribe. In this video, I will be discussing the purpose of having a YouTube channel. You've got to have a purpose. Many people start YouTube channels for different reasons. It is important to know from the beginning why you are creating a channel. Your goals play an important part on how and why you create videos. I'll give you just a few reasons why you may start your YouTube channel so that you can get a feel for YouTube and the YouTube universe and make you a little bit less overwhelmed. This is not a complete list, it's just some ideas. I will make a more comprehensive video soon, so please comment on which ideas you would like to see in the future. There are over 1.6 billion people who use YouTube on a monthly basis. YouTube offers the visibility to reach out to a wide audience to share entertainment and helpful content. Whatever you're passionate about, there's a viewer for you. It is important to plan and think about the nature of your videos before starting your YouTube channel. Do not get bogged down. It will only take a couple of days for you to brainstorm and to pinpoint how to share your passion with your audience. You can ask a friend to help channel your thoughts or bounce ideas off each other for feedback. Do you like to teach? YouTube is a great platform if you like to teach something. You can start uploading content and build a community around it. Certification is optional. You may have special expertise, skills, or knowledge. You can be great at math and do equations on your channel, for example. Let's face it, most people throw out, never, or prefer not to open product manuals. Most people turn to YouTube to see how to fix things. You can find anything from HVAC, automotive, Photoshop, troubleshooting, coding, and the list goes on and on. One of the best reasons to start a YouTube channel could be teaching and tutorials. Show others what you are deeply knowledgeable and passionate about. It is a great way to practice your presentation skills, and the bonus would be viewership. Do you have a special act for cooking? Let's face it, step-by-step recipes online are great, but also impersonal. People want to see video. There is not enough cooking videos on YouTube. Get your viewers to see how you combine ingredients and what it should look like during each stage. It can be the simplest snacks or elaborate meals. People are always looking for easy and practical recipe ideas. This is also a great way to be exposed on YouTube for those of us who are nervous about getting on the camera. Nothing beats seeing live and in-action cooking. Next time you cook, grab your smartphone and start recording. You can always add your audio while editing if you're worried about multitasking. If you have a passion for creating a new recipe, a twist on popular dishes, or simply just enjoy cooking, then this YouTube channel idea is for you. Did you just spend a ton on the latest tech? Then consider recording yourself while opening the package. I'm not kidding. When the latest smartphone, gaming system, or tech accessories are dropped, loads of people are searching YouTube and you're sure to catch some attention. Your video might go viral. Some people want to see each apparatus that comes in the box and like to hear your thought process as you're going through the contents. I'm not kidding. It feels good to see someone opening a new product and talking about what's in there. In addition to tech, you can unbox toys, shoes, and food packets, for example. If you are good at discussing features and have some video skills, this can be a great entry into YouTube for you. Do you want to become a TV socialite and MTV, Bravo, or VH1 does not want to give you an audition to their next reality show? The easiest way to get started with YouTube is to vlog about your life, concerns, opinions, thoughts, and current events. It is the equivalent of writing a blog, journal, or an open diary. You do not need any extra equipment except your smartphone and maybe a selfie stick. Many YouTube creators have started their vlogging career by traveling, documenting, taking pictures, recording, and describing the places that they've been to. It's also a great way to learn about places you may want to avoid. On your vlog, you may also want to talk about relationships, money, career, or health to establish yourself as a subject matter expert in any field that you're willing to give advice, education, experience, or knowledge about. Having your work on YouTube is providing content that people will want to see. You may also ask viewers to comment on what they want to see on your future videos. Go ahead, try it now. Comment below to let me know what you want to see on one of my upcoming videos. Does your child want to star on their own YouTube channel? It seems like online stardom has replaced television fame for children. That decision to let your child join a social media platform like YouTube is a personal one. Depends on your child's age and maturity level. If your child approaches you or has already began uploading without your permission, approach the conversation with curiosity and not judgment. Talk to them and see why they want to begin a career on YouTube. If you come to a decision to allow your child to start on YouTube, be sure to use your profile so that the account can be monitored and managed by you. More about this method will be on another episode of my YouTube journey, so please like and subscribe to be notified. You in it for the payoff? This is a huge topic that deserves a video of its own. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, such as affiliate marketing, brand deals, crowdfunding, and even monetizing your YouTube videos. It's not an overnight success or a get-rich-quick scheme, but with time, work, effort, and patience, it can be a very lucrative business. I will make a dedicated video on this topic, so please like and subscribe to be notified. These were just some of the reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. There's no better time to start a YouTube channel. As Lao Tzu said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This is your year, and there's a lot in store for you, so start recording and uploading content today. I sincerely hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and that I was able to give you a little value. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel or just want to learn or research on how YouTubers do what they do, you're in the right place. I will upload a new video soon that gives more niche ideas and elaborate more on the suggestions that I've discussed in this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also, tap on the notification button so you will be the first to know when I upload new content. I promise you that you will not want to miss a single video. Peace.